Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can copy text from an image in Windows 11. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using the new snipping tool. So if you do not have the new snipping tool automatically installed on your Windows 11 OS, all you have to do is come to the Microsoft Store, search for snipping tool, and download it. So once you have the snipping tool installed, you can either click the new button to take a screenshot of the location that you want to copy the text from, or you can click the three dots up here and then click Open File. So if we just open this file here, to copy this text, all we have to do is then click this text actions icon up here, and that will then find the text in the image and separate it out like so. Now just to show you that you can also do it with taking a screenshot, if we do a new screenshot, and I take a picture of this manual here, if I then click the text action again, it again will select out all of the text, and you can go through and select what you want. If you want, you can click copy all text, and it will copy all of the text in the image. Or alternatively, you can click and drag over what you want. So if I just copy this troubleshooting paragraph here, and then if I go over to Word and I paste it, as you can see, it has copied the text from the image. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.